Hello and welcome to Basic Computing, chapter number 13. And honestly, this chapter, customer service, could be about any topic: tourism, McDonald's, CCD. So, we are talking about what customer means. You heard phrases customer first, customer is priority, customer is God. I don't think so, but that's the way we treat our customers. This is a very theoretical chapter which will teach you basic etiquettes of being with the customer. So, chapter number 13, first says, it says that how do you greet a customer? Some etiquettes think of you being entering into a OCD or meeting a barista. Let's say you're a barista at Starbucks. You are serving coffee to the customer. What would you do? These are processes. Now, put the same thing to a technical part. Imagine you're calling a call center, your laptop has crashed, and you need some help, or your Wi Fi is not working, and this is what you do. It says greet your customer with a smile. Well, even though you're on a mobile phone, on a phone, still smile. That's number one. Offer help. Ask them, what can I do for you? May I help you? Pay undivided attention, like what you're not doing right now. If you're watching my video, it's a 5 minutes video, smallest chapter. Please listen carefully. Listen. Be formal, right? So with a customer, you can't just be, hi, Macha, how are you? No, just be very, very formal. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. These are the words, the phrases you use. If you are a barista, you will dress professionally according to the etiquettes. It is said female should put a bun. Whatever it is, it should be neat appearance. That's the way you talk about to your customer. This is very simple, that's all. So these are true and false. We'll quickly go to the in-text question later. What is basic communication? Now imagine you are calling or you are representing a bank and somebody calls you for a problem. What would you do? Again, the same rules, what we discussed earlier applies, but now you go in more detail. Be formal, undivided attention. So that means pay active listener. So be an active listener to your customer. That's all. Listen to them carefully. Verify the detail, very importantly. So imagine if they're registered with the email addresses or the mobile number, please ask them to repeat it. Like most of the time, do not get irritated when somebody asks you because they're also asking and doing a protocol. Impress them. So where a customer finishes, a complaint for that matter, ask them, repeat the same thing they said so they know that you are on the same page. Do not interrupt. If you ever have to interrupt, remember when you call an Amazon customer service, how irritating it is. Still, they have to be polite. Say, sir, may I put you on hold for some time? These are pointers you'll have to use. Use clear words and sentences. For example, this is very important. Do not use the word booting. Can I boot your computer? Rather, you need to use easy, non-technical language. Can I restart the computer? Can I switch it on? Can you try doing it? These are simple phases you need to improve. Be formal. So, instead of using acronyms like ASAP or FYI, which people may not understand, just say, can I share my information? Can I talk to you? Be courteous, be nice. For example, if you have to ask a serial ID, ask them carefully, quietly, politely. The idea is a good customer is a customer who listens and then be ready to help. If you're not able to help, ma'am, can I give you a ticket? Can I raise the issue? And can I come back to you? Can I ask my senior to get back to you? These are pointers. You may have to write it like a small content and we work it out. Remember, cautions of words and faces can lead to unexpected reaction. So, if a customer can say, can you speak clearly? Excuse me, sir, I'm unable to hear you. I'm unable to understand you. Can you repeat it for me? Keep a check on background for noise and distraction. There could be somebody around your way if you're on a traffic zone. So these are very important things. Ask customer what is the preferred mode of communication, what language they like to speak on, and finally seek support. Seek your external, manager, line manager. These are pointers you have to speak about. It is said that an indifferent or I don't know attitude can lead to losing a customer. Invite negative press. Today, a simple Facebook or an Insta post can, today the ratings are so important. Uber, Zomato, Amazon, all of them wait for a good customer rating. No wonder customer may not be a god, but customer definitely is a king. And that is how you learn. You look at the rules. This is very simple. And these are some of the questions that you ask. Repeatedly, as I said, it's a 5-minute chapter. But then there's some quick questions we would like to do. Why is it important to dress well as a customer representation? So you can start by saying that impression makes a difference. The first impression is the most important impression. My formal dressing will make a difference to the customer. Why should you not be over friendly with the customer? Oh, customer misunderstand that as bad behavior, rude behavior. Customer may expect a lot of, over answer. You may not be able to charge a customer. Simple point, but think about it and remember all the points I said. This is all in this chapter. Nothing huge. Usually 2 to 4 mark question may come from this chapter. Listen to it once and write it in your own words. All the best.